What's up, everybody? Wellness Week Live. Hey, this is advice for the graduating class of 2025. Okay, so 2025. Wow, congratulations. It's funny. These are now I'm a little older than you. Okay, I'm in my 50s, and I own a couple different successful businesses. I've been through ups and downs. I would say, in my opinion, I'm a very successful person, and I'm not talking about just money. Sure, I have my ups and downs like everybody else. But so here are my tips for the graduating class of 2025 if you're graduating high school and college too, but high school particularly. Okay, number one, might be too late, but don't do drugs. That might seem like common sense, but woo, you'd be surprised. Don't do drugs, meaning alcohol is a drug too. I'm sorry to tell you that, but that's not my opinion. That's a scientific fact. So alcohol is a carcinogenic, poisonous drug. So stay away from alcohol, just like crack cocaine and heroin, because alcohol actually kills more than crack cocaine, heroin, fentanyl all combined. So I understand your uncle, your mom and dad drink, and oh my God, we're going to party, it's legal. Right. But again, carcinogenic poison, stay away from it. Would you drink rat poison from the hardware store? No, you wouldn't. Okay, then don't drink alcohol. I understand people do it. Don't drink alcohol. So don't do drugs. Okay, that's number one. If we can stop the show right now, that's number one. So just don't do drugs. You don't no alcohol. So two reasons. One, it'll fuck your life up. I understand your Uncle Johnny, your mommy, your daddy, they're making bazillions every minute and they fucking drink every day. More often than not, it destroys lives. How valuable is your success to you? How valuable is your life to you? Why do it? Why fuck around with it? There's no one on earth that's ever had an alcohol drug problem that didn't do it. You see, so just you'll never have a problem with alcohol and drugs ever if you don't do it. So that's it. And by the way, I know about 17 people who are struggling with alcohol right now. They're not dead, but they have liver problems, they have muscle problems, they have skin problems. Alcohol destroys muscles and skin and hair and liver and teeth, everything. So it makes you sicker more often. Just stay away. Why? Stay away. Take the money you're going to piss away on alcohol and drugs, and at the minimum, save it, if not invest it. And I promise you, you will be a millionaire just from that alone. Okay, so don't do drugs. And also, again, why destroy your hair, your muscle? It's a muscle. It degrades muscle. Okay, so that's the big one. Number two, if you're in high school, please get some type of training or trade school or major in something in college that's not like, oh, dude, I want to be a major in the fine arts of skipping through the daisies. No. You're going to college to make fucking money, okay? That's it. So you're going to go through $100,000 probably or more. You cannot be majoring in something that has a 1% chance of getting work. No, you can become well-rounded on your own time. Called this thing called the internet, pretty ingenious thing. You can discover things and go to the library and do that for free. You're going to college, you're spending over 100,000, or your mommy and daddy are spending over 100,000. Don't major in bullshit. There's so many majors that you're going to be pouring coffee in 5 years after college. Don't. You major in something you can make money in. Now, if you don't like college, don't go to college. Go to trade school. That's my advice for high schoolers. Major or get something that is a high demand thing that you can make money on. Okay, become a welder, a plumber, an electrician, a carpenter, a chef, auto mechanic. Major in engineering or become a doctor or a nurse. Do something where you're going to be able to make some money. Not the world sucks. I have a college degree and I can't make money. Well, you majored in bullshit. That's why. Whose fault is that? So anyways, major in something or go to trade school where you can get something that's a marketable degree or certificate. Okay. Third, wear protection. Okay. Have all the sex you want, but wear protection, guys and girls. Protection. You don't want to be having a child or an STD, especially a child, where now, what? You can't even take care of yourself. Now you're going to take care of another human? So, no. Okay, moving on. You can have all the kids you want, but not until you're a minimum 28 or you have money coming in where you accomplished and you achieved your college degree already or your trade school degree already. And either that or you're 28. One of the two, no kids until that, because you got to get your shit straight. You can't bring a kid into this world half-assed. So, okay, you want to get married, get married. You don't want to get married, that's neither here nor there. But just no children until you are 28 or financially set and ready and out of mommy's basement. You know, you got your college degree, making money, or your trade school diploma degree, and you're making money. Or 28. Okay. Live below your means. I know people who make $1 million a year, but they spend $2 million a year. They're fucking broke. I know people who make under $80,000 a year. They're not broke, and they're happy. So live below your means. If you make $1 million, then spend 900,000, and then bank the other, 100,000. Goes on to the next thing. Spend a little, save a little. You can spend most of your money, but save some, invest some. Every $100 you put away whatever. Every $1,000 you put away $50 or $100 or $200, whatever. I'm not saying don't spend money, but you got to save. Save right now. Okay, graduates, now. I don't care you got debt. Save a little. Okay. If you can't afford that vacation, you don't go on one. You're not owed that. Okay, so don't. You can't afford more than one pair of sneakers. You don't buy. Credit card's not money. You don't buy more. You don't have 5 pairs of shoes if you can't afford them. Okay. Exercise every day. You don't have to climb a mountain, but every day, 1 hour, get up, move your ass, walk. It's free. Stop. I don't have the money. Walk. It's free. Walk in place. Whatever. Calisthenics, push-up, sit-ups. You don't have to sweat. Just move. Every day, move. My advice for class 2025. Understand, class 2025. You are owed taxes and death. That's it. Life is tough. If you are graduating in the United States of America, you already have it easier, an advantage and privilege over at least 2 billion people on Earth. Try graduating high school or college in a poor country, India, Guatemala, great countries, but good luck. They got it much harder than you're going to have it graduating in America. So if you're in America, yeah, life is it's going to be tough sometimes. Life, you know what? But understand that life is supposed to be tough. Okay. And life is supposed to be beautiful and kind, but it's supposed to be tough too and unfair. That's life. Understand that. Absorb that. Okay. And you dust yourself off and you move on. What else? So, go outside of your town or county to find work. Don't be like, nah, man, I'm just going to live. If I can't find a job near me, fuck that. Well, then fuck you. I mean, so if you're willing to say, hey, I'll work outside the state, I'll work, 5 states away, then you're casting a wider net. You're probably going to get a job. I know a girl that majored in journalism. Good luck. Everyone's got a journalist degree. And she moved. She's from New Jersey. And she moved to North Dakota to this station to become a reporter, an anchor. That's somebody who wants to work. So she did it, God bless. And be ready to adapt, Other thing is get a therapist. You're going to need one. It's okay. I got one. You get one. And last but not least, I would say plug into one of the major 4 religions. Don't worry. You don't have to believe it all. Just, plug into one of the religions. It's a great way to give back, volunteer, and it's a great way to plug into the community that you can help people and they can help you. So, I think it's great to do that. And those are my tips for the class of 2025. Okay, DJ Anthony, over and out. Bye.